proper sanitation, and air quality are two important aspects of keeping Niner Nation healthy. Here's what you can expect upon return. The university will be responsible for cleaning and sanitizing bathrooms, large meeting facilities, classrooms, and other community spaces. High-touch surfaces will be wiped down frequently using disinfectant and microfiber cleaning cloths. In our dining facilities, staff will provide continuous cleaning and sanitization of tables, chairs, and other high-touch surfaces. Other areas will be cleaned every 30 minutes. Additionally, each dining facility will be disinfected nightly after closing. Housing and residence life staff will clean public spaces in each residence hall daily, and heavily trafficked areas multiple times daily. For an extra layer of protection, the university will use electrostatic sprayers in classrooms and andosine triphosphate, also known as ATP, monitoring. With ATP monitoring, trained technicians will test surfaces to ensure the area is clean. If not, surfaces can be disinfected and retested as needed to ensure they are safe. Employees and students should wipe down their own personal spaces and any spaces or equipment they share with others. Don't forget to include electronics like cell phones and keyboards. The university is also closely monitoring the air quality on campus to ensure our air systems meet and exceed the current recommended air changes per hour to maintain proper airflow. You can find more information about cleaning and air quality at ninernationcares.uncc.edu. Together, we'll keep Niner Nation safe.